Hi everyone, this is Jack and family. Today I'm making pasta. This is a quick lunch idea. We have already boiled our pasta, so we are starting with the tomatoes to cook and put in the pasta. Our pasta is there already boiled and cooked. We cooked it for 15 minutes, but we had first boiled water. We boiled water, then we put the pasta and cooked it for only 15 minutes. So yeah, we are just making the ingredients to go in the pasta, but the pasta is already cooked. So we are putting the spices. We are going to put Royco, black pepper, and chicken spice. The chicken spice is curry powder. So that is what we are adding. It is a very quick lunch idea. So yeah, that's the lunch idea we have for today. Thank you guys. So we are putting the pasta. As I said, the pasta we had already boiled it for 15 minutes only, such that they don't be overcooked. You only cook them for 15 minutes and you cook it in boiled water already. When the water is already boiled, cook it for 15 minutes. So we are mixing our pasta. It is already done. The whole process takes less than 30 minutes, which is a good time for lunch if you don't have time. So yeah, we are putting our pasta in a boil. Finished it with green onions. Yeah, our pasta is done. It's time to serve and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Kindly, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel to see more videos, to see our cooking and more videos. Click on notification bell and see whenever we post. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.